The Validations module in GoodDay allows you to customize system behavior to ensure data integrity, adhere to planning guidelines, and enforce your organization's work rules. With Validations, you can control how actions are handled and maintain consistency across your workspace. To manage your validation settings, go to Settings, Automations, Validations. Here, you'll find a list of system validations organized by specific criteria. You can review and configure actions for each validation to ensure they align with your workflow. For each validation, you have 3 action options: allow, warning, and deny. Let's review these options using an example where a parent task is being closed while it still has open subtasks. If the validation action is set to allow, you can close the parent task without any notifications or interruptions. If set to warning, the system will prompt a warning message. You can choose to confirm or cancel the action based on the notification. If set to deny, the action will be reverted and an error message will appear, preventing the task from being closed until the issue is resolved. Validations are not limited to individual actions. They also apply when performing bulk actions. For instance, when updating multiple tasks at once, the system will process the tasks and only prompt you for confirmation on those with validation issues. This ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted while still maintaining data integrity. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please visit our support center or contact us.